Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll show you guys how to adjust the clock on BMW E65 or E66. Okay, if you've done battery replacement or anything like that, we'll show you guys, okay, how to adjust the clock, okay, right there. Okay guys, so if you press the button one direction twice, let's say to the back twice, okay, and then you need to select settings, which is in the bottom corner. So you need to slide it this way, diagonal, okay, like that. It's entering in settings. So now clock is selected right there, and what you need to do, you need to click the button, okay, for time. Okay, that's the time now. So we need to turn the button, okay, and when you turn the button like that, you're going to change the hour. Okay, so right now it's 12:23. Okay, 12 like that. So then we need to click the button one more time. It goes to minutes, and you turn to the right or left to adjust the minutes. 23. Okay, click the button one more time. Okay, now we're going to select date. Just turn this way, select date, click. Okay, and we'll need to put the date. Today is 7 July 14th. When you want to go to day, all we have to do, click 2017. Okay, and that's it, guys. The clock is working there on the car now. So just quick video how to do that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.